Why are you crying? What's wrong? Why are you all chit-chatty today? Baby?
Welcome to a weekend in the life of someone who just moved to a new city and has no friends. I recently moved to Austin a couple of months ago from Washington, D.C. And while I am originally from Texas, a lot of my friends live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, which is where I grew up, which is where I'm from. So I've also probably not done a super great job of outreach because I just haven't had a lot of energy. My boyfriend and I are long distance right now. He's still up in Washington, D.C. I'm going to take you through my Saturday just doing things by myself because I think there's probably a lot of people that feel this way. I have been compiling a list of things to do in my head today and this weekend to kind of kill some time and just spend some time with myself, spend some time with my kitten. I'm gonna take you through what I do by myself today. I'm doing the dishes right now and I'm realizing that my cupboards are a mess, so I think I'm gonna order some shelves to put on some of those shelves that are up at the top to kind of split up the spaces and make them a little more organized, but I think I'm gonna order one of those today. Another thing that I'm taking care of this morning that is very important is creating a new Ninja Creami recipe. I just got a Ninja Creami. I actually got it from my mom for her birthday. My mom knew that I would use the Creami more than she would, so she is letting me borrow it for a little while. So I've been using it all of last week. I tried a bunch of different liquid bases for the Creami because then you can add like mix-ins and different toppings and stuff from there. So I've been slowly acquiring a bunch of different items from the store to make these fancy, and I've seen a lot of light ice cream recipes, like protein ice cream recipes for the Ninja Creami. So I'm gonna make one right now because you have to let it freeze until it's completely frozen solid, which is typically overnight, but I think that if I make it now, because it's 9 a.m., then it'll be ready tonight. Let's make a healthy ice cream recipe together. So basically, according to my research, the only things that you really need are this Core Power high protein milkshake thing. I've never had it, but it's like a Fairlife protein shake. That's the milk that I was using all of last week, but I went to Target last night and I got some of these because that's what all the recipes called for. And then you put a tablespoon of the sugar-free Jell-O pudding mix. It can be whatever flavor. I'm doing cheesecake this time. And then I've got some vanilla extract as well. I've seen other videos where people have used birthday cake extract. I didn't even know that stuff existed, so maybe I'll invest in that later. I think that that's all you need. You take the full bottle of the Fairlife milkshake thing and you pour the whole thing in. Then you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of the pudding mix. I just watched a video that said it was 2 tablespoons. Half a teaspoon of whatever extract you use. I'm just using vanilla, but the video that I just watched used birthday cake. And then a lot of people use those milk frother things, but I don't have one of those right now, and I forgot to get one from Target yesterday when I was there, so we're just gonna mix with a fork, which I'm not doing a very good job at because I don't have the milk frother thing, but then you're gonna put the lid on and you're gonna freeze it for at least 12 hours or until it's frozen solid. I'm excited to try this later today. Hello, I am finally all ready for the day. It is now 11:30, that's fine. This is my outfit of the day to go run some errands. It is a super cute athletic romper from Abercrombie. I probably am about to go to American Eagle. I have to go to Victoria's Secret to return something and replace it with something else. I don't really know what else. Maybe Abercrombie, but I don't typically buy things in stores there because it usually is not on sale in person versus their website has sales all the time. So life hack, but let's go run some errands. I just got to the mall. I am going to go return this to Victoria's Secret, go to American Eagle because they have these Snoopy pajamas that are literally so popular, and they're fall Snoopy pajamas. I love Charlie Brown. It's one of my favorite things ever. It always has been. So I want to see if they have them in stores because they are continuously sold out of them online. So let's go. Thing that I've ever seen. So I just left the mall. It wasn't super crowded, but it's only 1 o'clock. I am gonna go to Krispy Kreme here in a minute because they have a pumpkin spice donut that I really want to try, and I haven't really eaten anything. Anyways, really quick, I wanted to show you what I got from the mall because I'm pretty excited about it. And I do have to rant really quickly. I went to Sephora, which I literally only ever go to pick up basically 2 items, and they're by Charlotte Tilbury. And this one is the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. I'm wearing it right now. This thing was $45. It did not used to be that expensive. I'm gonna need some justification for that because that's wild. It's not worth $45. It's worth maybe 30, not 45. Because with tax, that was probably 50 bucks. And then I made my exchange at Victoria's Secret, but I'm not gonna show you that because that's weird. I went to Bath & Body Works and I actually bought some stuff there, which I never really do. I always walk through it, but I never actually buy anything. However, they had a sale on their candles today. Their 3-wick candles that are usually almost $30 were on sale for $13. I had to get one at least. I love the packaging that they do every year. Even if they bring back old scents, I just love to see what new designs they come up with. This one is called A Day at the Cafe, and it smells sweet, but it smells a little bit like coffee. I don't know, it's like a sweet latte or something. The design is adorable, so this is a very great fall scent. I'm very excited. And then I did something that I also never do. I bought soap from Bath & Body Works. This one is white pumpkin. I mostly got it just because it's a white bottle, so it'll match stuff in my apartment. But I saw that they have this replacement hand soap refill canister thing. It was only $14, and this will refill it up to, it says up to 3.6 times, and I just got the same replacement scent. I also always accidentally want to say flavor. You can't eat these even if they smell good enough to eat, so I got the white pumpkin scent, and I am very excited to use this later. It's the foaming hand soap as well, which is also my favorite. Let's go to Krispy Kreme and see if they have those donuts. I'm very sad to report that they were all out. It's only 1 o'clock, so I guess I need to get here earlier tomorrow or something. I'm literally like in the Krispy Kreme parking lot trying to figure out my next steps, so it's fine. I think I'm just gonna go to Cava, and there's a Nordstrom Rack and a Home Goods and a TJ Maxx and all that stuff. I don't know if I'm actually gonna go there because I don't know how much I feel like it, and I know that the lines are probably gonna be really long, but it gives me some more things to go and do. Because I literally, the only other stuff that I have to do at home is do my laundry, maybe play Animal Crossing or something, play with Bobby, or do work. I don't like to do work or homework or anything like that on Saturdays. I like to do that on Sundays. I like to have at least one day a week where I don't have to do stuff, where I can just relax. That is Saturdays. Don't like to do things on Saturdays. I found They are the platform Uggs that are so popular every year. And they're like $20, $40 off or something. They're probably last season's, but they're so cute. I definitely am getting these. I need another bath rug. Look at all the Halloween stuff. Oh my gosh. So I just got back home. I've been gone for a couple of hours and I got a couple of other things in addition to what I already showed in the car earlier. I would also like to give a disclaimer that whenever I am lonely and bored and have no plans, I don't just go out and spend money. This is just a like this weekend thing, so I took you along with me because I actually like went and did stuff instead of just sitting inside all day. Bobby said that he wants to be in the video. He gets all upset whenever I come home because he's mad that I left him. So he's crying right now. He said, give me attention. Also, because every time I come home in the afternoon, I wake him up from his afternoon nap. So he's on the counter. I stopped by Nothing Bundt Cakes just a second ago, which I have not been there in so long. But I saw a video on Instagram from someone who reviews food all the time and different desserts and stuff, that she really liked this frosted strawberry Pop-Tart bundt cake thing. So I'm gonna try this later and I'm excited about that. And then this is the other big purchase that I made. Okay, the Buntlet, that's not a big purchase. It's like $5. But this, I am so excited about. I have wanted Uggs in general, real Uggs, for literal years, probably at least 8 years. And I've always asked for them for Christmas, all the time. My family, everyone, and I've never received them, which is fine because they're expensive and I understand. But I've also never bought them for myself because they're expensive. But I found these at Nordstrom Rack and I'm so excited. They are the platform Ugg boot. It's like a style that maybe isn't like the main like trendy one or whatever. These are so comfortable and they were only like $20, $30 off of the original price, but still, I didn't pay full price and I'm very excited about this. I'm so looking forward to wearing these in the fall and winter, or at least whenever it gets like 70 degrees in Texas, probably in January, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to replace my crusty old soap that is probably from Walmart with my new pretty Bath and Body Works soap. And like I said, I haven't actually like really smelled it. I smelled the candle that smelled like it, so let's try this out. Ooh. Okay, yeah, that does smell really good. I'm glad that I got this one. I'm glad I got the replacement item. I think for the rest of the day, I am probably gonna play Animal Crossing because I haven't played that in a while and my villagers are probably dead. It's been like 2 weeks or something. And then, I don't know, I'll probably just chill for the rest of the evening, watch Gilmore Girls. Bobby wants to say hi again. He won't stop crying because he wants his mommy's attention. Yes, Peppa. Say hi. I must show you the results of my Ninja Creami concoction from earlier. It's frozen now, and I don't know, the top part looks all chunky, so I need to get one of those milk frothers. So I have my Ninja Creami friend right here. So let me see if I remember how to do this. I need to attach this thing onto the lid. You put this friend into this friend and you put it on here and it like goes up like that, except I need to actually put the lid on first, duh. Okay, there we go. Took 5 minutes, but I figured it out. And I'm gonna click the ice cream setting. And it's gonna be really loud, by the way. Now you take it off. And we'll see if it's done. It is not creamy enough, so we're gonna add in a little bit of milk and then click the respin button. I'm also gonna add in these golden Oreos. And then you just stick them in and then they get all crushed up. Ooh, okay, that looks a lot better. You see, that actually looks like ice cream now. Yeah, you can see that consistency. Big bite. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Okay,
I definitely need to get the milk frother because I can like taste the crunchy, like little grainy bits of the pudding. I mean, it's really good. I highly recommend. The problem with these is that they melt pretty quickly. So I'm gonna spoon some into a bowl and enjoy. That's my little new Ninja Creami recipe. I approve, I'll make it again. I just need to get one of those things to properly spin together the ingredients.
Well, with that, I might call this video to a close. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you find that you just moved to a new city, you just graduated college, or you're just in a period of your life where you don't know a lot of people where you currently are, or you're just kind of in your hibernation mode like I also am, you're not alone. There's someone right here that's going through the same thing. It can be lonely, but there's fun ways that we can fill up our days and our time to still feel productive and like we're getting stuff done. Okay, bye.